Good morning, grade 10 students. I'm your math teacher Wissam Sharafi. Hope all are okay. Today's lesson is also about derivatives. Last time we took the derivative starting from definition. Today we are going to take the rules of derivative. The first one is if we have a constant, its derivative is 0. You took that before. F of x equal ax to power n. So the formula is derivative a times n times x to power n minus 1. A times n times x to power n minus 1. The third, if you have sum or difference of polynomials, the derivative will be u prime x plus v prime x. So ux plus vx will be u prime plus v prime of the function. If you have product u of x times v of x, the derivative will be u prime v plus v prime u. You find u prime, you find v prime, and substitute. You have a ratio of polynomials. Of course, the denominator different from 0. You have f prime of x is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. You find u prime and v prime of these, then you substitute. If you have a function of the form a ux to power n, the derivative will be n times a ux to power n minus 1 times the derivative of ux. Application. Number 1, part A, f of x equals 2, then f prime of x equals 0. F of x equals 2m, and here 2m is a constant because the variable is x, so the derivative is also 0. F of x equal minus 2x cubed, then f prime of x is minus 2 times 3 times x to power 3 minus 1, which is minus 6x squared. F of x equals 2/5 root of x to power 4. You change 5th root x power 4 fractional power, then you find the derivative. F prime of x will be 2 times 4 over 5 times x to power 4 over 5 minus 1, which will become 8 over 5 5th root of x. F of x equal 2 radical 2 x to power minus 3. Also you change, apply the second rule. It is minus 3 multiplied by radical 2 multiplied by x to power minus 3 minus 1 is 4. F of x equals sum of monomials. The derivative is the derivative of each. The derivative of 2x cubed is 6x squared. 3x squared, the derivative is 6x, and the derivative of 1 is 0. You have this form. You expand, distribute, you find the derivative of each. This is minus 2 times x to power 1, and this is minus 6 times x to power 0, because 1 minus 1, 0. Usually we don't write it. It is minus 4x minus 6. Here f prime of a, don't forget that the variable is a. A is the variable, so it is 2 times a to power 2 minus 1, which is 4a. The second is 3x considered to be a constant, a number. It is 3x times 1 times a to power 1 minus 1, which is 3x. F of x equal x cubed plus 3x4 into 1 minus 2x cubed. This is the form u times v. Then you apply the rule. You find u prime, you find v prime, you apply the rule. It is u prime v plus v prime u. U prime is the derivative of this. It is 3x squared plus 12x cubed v. Plus v prime is the derivative of this, minus 6x squared multiplied by u. Then you simplify. G of x equal the product of two binomials or trinomials or polynomials. Then the derivative will be u prime times v plus v prime times u. U prime is 2x plus 3, or minus, because minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, x to power minus 2, multiplied by v, which is x minus 5, plus v prime u, v prime is 1 and u is x squared naught plus 3x to power minus 1. Number 5, f of x is ratio of two polynomials, u prime v plus minus v prime u over v squared. You find u prime, you find v prime, and you substitute. U prime is 2, v prime is 2x, so you substitute u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. Also, h of x is ratio of two polynomials. You find u prime, which is minus 1 plus 4x. You find v prime, which is 10x. You apply u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. And you simplify. Number 6, you have u to power n. It is n times u to power n minus 1 times u prime. So u prime is, f prime of x is 4, which is n, x squared plus 4x to power 4 minus 1, times the derivative of x squared plus 4x, which is 2x plus 4. And you simplify. Also in part B, you change this to a fractional power. You apply the rule. It is n times the function to power n minus 1, which is 3 over 5, into 2x cubed plus x minus 1 all to power 3 over 5 minus 1, which is 5 over 5, multiplied by the derivative of 2x cubed plus x minus 1, which is 6x squared plus 1. And you simplify. You need to practice. These are 5 exercises given to you so that you will emphasize the idea. Hope you understood. Wish to meet again next time. Bye-bye.